We are still coming to you live inside the Brenzy Gago Convention Center, and our game at hand, the NYBL Boss League versus the Pampanga Delta Hotel, Royce and Casino. As we come to you live inside the beautiful Brenzy Gago Convention Center for our 9th game of the ball of the day. I stand corrected by 10, or it's our 10th game rather. Penelope Wilhelmina at your service alongside with Boss Ray Alaw.
Team consultant, team owner, Governor Dennis.
That's also Miklat on the screens, the team owner of the NYBL Boss League.
Game officials are Jason Martinez, John
Carlo
Balaya,
Ferreras
and
on your
Jess
screens
Paul.
right now. Player for Pampanga Royce Hotel and Casino. Makakasama natin later on the sideline is Kim Adventula. Our eyes and ears on the sidelines. Roque with the basketball. Roque with an N1 play agad-agad. As we take a look back at that beautiful move from June Roque, a former Perpetual Altas and now a Latran Knights as he serves his residency. As the N1 play is not complete for Roque. Balik ang bola dito for the NYBL. Rualo. But there was a steal for Kiambao. Kiambao pushing foul against the NYBL Boss League, Boss Ray.
Foul talaga yun kasi parang pinos niya ng katawan niya. Hindi niya man ginamit yung kamay niya pero same yun ang push na tinatawag.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, earlier I talked with the coaching staff of the NYBL Boss League, no? And we know naman that they are just a replacement team just for the injury na yung team natin na yun is just have a lot of injuries. Pero nakapag-produce agad sila ng jersey, ng players. So parang they really have this grassroots daw talaga ito ng mga taga-Bataan.
Yun ang maganda kasi, alam mo yun, kung gusto mo tumulong kasi, gagawa ka ng paraan para makalaro yung mga batang gusto ma-showcase yung mga talent nila.
As Ferreras now, back to Roque with 5-0 run. That pass of Kevin Santos is a miscommunication to Joshua Miklat. As NYBL Boss League now with the ball possession. Carpio. Back to Jimenez. Oh, nice pass. But a good rejection by Joshua Miklat.
Si Miklat kasi maganda sa dumipensa eh. Binabasa niya kung saan yung bola. Hindi yung alamin talon siya ng talon sa mga fake or pinapadama lang yung bola. Siya hindi. Inaabangan niya lang, nakatayo siya pero yung kamay niya nakataas.
The history of this Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino is like simula sila, Boss Ray, parang yung Pampanga Pradera natin na 17 under. Na ganun yung naging connection na nila. Magkakasama silang lumaki, magkakasama silang nag-grow on a team. So their team chemistry is really different.
Yan ang maganda sa Pampanga kasi kahit saang team sila mapunta, mapabata,
But before anything else, our lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by the City of Food Spear, food that brings you home. Going back to what you were saying.
Yung gaya nga sabi mo, mga bata sila hanggang ngayon, di ba? Sama-sama sila. Nagmamature sila eh. Napapakita nila yung talent nila lalo kasi nadidevelop eh. Hindi yung, eto, after neto, stop na tayo. Dito sa Pampanga, yung like ko nga sinasabi na magaya ng ibang lugar or city or mismo yung mga LGU na yung talent ng mga bata dapat tuloy-tuloy. Hindi yung nagpaliga ka lang. After ng liga na yun, tapos na. Dapat talagang lagyan nila ng tamang programa para yung hinahanap nila na makita yung talent ng bata na galing sa lugar mo or sa city na to, proud yung buong sambayan na tinatawag eh. Kunyari, example, Bulacan. May nakuha doon na from Bulacan, naging PBA, like si Commissioner Rodi Santos. Every time na, Coach Leo Isaac, every time na pupunta ka ng Bulacan, talagang i-announce na, ito, proud kami dito kasi dito lumaki yan. Ngayon, legend na. Alam mo yun?
It's really what you call, Boss Ray, consistency is the key to success.
Totoo.
And look at the success of this Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. Grabe.
Kasi biro mo, from Coach Alan Trinidad, ngayon, kay Coach Shera na, hanggang sa napunta kay Coach Pedix, di ba?
And now it's headed by Coach Pepet Duyag. Alam mo, may one time nga niloloko ko si Coach Pedix. Sabi ko, wow, pinapa-interview mo na si Coach Pepet. Tapos sabi niya, sinasanay na nga daw niya because Coach Pedix is focusing right now on their professional team. Medyo mabigat-bigat kapag dasama pa itong mga bata. So, really, itong Pampanga na team, I mean, under the Governor Dennis Delta Pineda is all about growth. Not just only for the players, but for the whole coaching staff. As we can see on our screens is Coach Pepet Duyag.
Tama yun kasi iba yung giging maturity player and coaches.
As we turn it over now to our courtside reporter, Kim Advincula. Kim, what do you have for us?
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Plus, they can play against their idols, as said by Coach Argel of NYBL Boss League. Inamin niya na they are underdog team at during ng kanilang last game ay nag-collapse sila at natalo. But now, they are ready to bounce back as they strengthen their defense and shooting game. Dahil alam niya na matatangkad ang kalaban at maaari nila itong maging disadvantage. Now, back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim, for that update. Boss Ray, it's really a privilege as Kevin Santos with that slam dunk.
Natuwa ako doon pag may Santos, ultimo coach ng NYBL Boss League. Talagang, alam mo yun, happy siya eh. Dahil yung mga player niya, ang nakakalaban, ganito na.
Actually, Boss Ray, a 16-0 run for Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. NYBL Boss League still finding the rhythm. 16-0 with 3 minutes and 53 on the game clock. Going back inside the Brazilian Convention Center, Sinagliga Asha is sponsored by City of Food Spears, the food that brings you home. 3 minutes and 53 seconds as that missed three-pointer by Carlo Ferreira seems like a blessing in disguise for Kevin Santos as his first and second slam dunk for this SLA Junior World Showcase. One thing about Kevin Santos, Boss Ray, he is the youngest player to step in the professional league for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. At the age of 20, Kevin already tallied a double-double performance on some professional leagues that has been under Gov Delta as well.
Yun na yun eh. Santos din siya, tulad ni Arvin Santos na Spider-Man ng PBA. Siya nang susunod eh, di ba?
This kid is really different. Alam mo, ang alam ng karamihan, matanda na si Kevin. But one thing about Kevin Santos, he's really young and he's just 20 years old for that ability that he has been showcasing the world right now. It's Miklat! Was able to knock that shot.
Yun ang nakakatawa sa kanila dahil bata pa sila magkakasama hanggang ngayon. Alam mo yun, alam na nila kung saan ng pwestuhan eh. Hindi na yung basta na lang papasahan, di ba?
It's 20-2 is our score. Minutes and 42 seconds remaining on the first. As we take a look back at that beautiful pass of Kevin Santos, our last play of the quarter, brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, the makers of quality uniform. The tough shot from Joshua Miklat is like a quality shot, just like the clothings of J Project.
Meron na rin ganun si Santos, no?
Namamas. Actually, alam mo kaya, Boss Ray, masasabi ko that this Pampanga team is like a lot of growth. Kasi nasubaybayan mo sila starting when they were starting in the basketball community. Nakita mo on how they really matured in the basketball. Not only in the basketball, but only on their also in their life. So, parang ang saya mo na makita they play like that. They play selfless basketball right now.
Para sa akin, okay itong ginagawa ng NYBL Boss League kasi nakalaban nila itong Pampanga Delta. Alam mo yun, yung pag-uwi ng mga yan or pagpunta nila sa ibang liga, iba yung makikita nilang umaapoy na yung mga mata niya.
As time out on the floor, 20-8, Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel at Casino still up with 2 minutes and 12 seconds on the game clock.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing, makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing, makers of quality uniform.
Going back to the 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining on the first. 20-8. 12-point lead for Pampanga. The biggest lead they have is 19. Steven Angeles for 3 and it's good. As Enzo called this one is Gatas Boy. I don't know why. Pero mga tropa to ni Enzo, Boss Ray.
Matik yan, basta si Enzo.
For ano kasi, kung mayroong Miss Congeniality, may Mr. Congeniality and that is Enzo. And ikaw as well.
Siyempre, alam mo naman. Alam mo, ang nagusto ko kasi sa katulad nyo ng mga panel dito sa SLA, pag na-develop ang like Penelope, di ba? Pag na-develop ka, hindi tayo yung tipong Penelope dito ka lang sa SLA. Like what I said, nung una pa lang.
Our last drive of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Spheres, the food that brings you home. And going back to what you were saying on the growth, Boss Ray.
Pagka may nakakita sa inyo na based sa talent nyo na pinakita nyo dito sa Liga Asia, so hindi expect na natin yan na iba yung iba, parang hindi pwede dito ka lang Ben kasi may contract ganyan. Hindi, ako pa magdi-deliver sa'yo doon. Alam mo bakit? Kasi proud tayo na nakita yung mga talent nyo. Like mga ginawa ni Direk Nomar sa mga courtside na nagsimula sa kanya. Ngayon nasa iba-ibang liga na, di ba? Thankful tayo doon at proud tayo sa kanila. Which is batiin pa nila tayo pag nasa-lubong or message. It's up to them eh.
Actually, Boss Ray, what you have been mentioning is like, it's not just about loyalty, but the respect you have for the people who develop you. Ganun na tong Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino na they can't even get out of any other teams beside Pampanga Delta just because the first person who gave them the chance to showcase their talent is none other than Gov Delta and the rest of the coaching staff of Pampanga. It's just same as our life goes na parang you really have to respect someone who really brings out the best in you.
Yun ang nakakatuwa kasi dito sa atin, like, ako to be honest, happy ako kay Direk Nomar kasi hindi siya kagaya ng ibang nagpagaling ng talent na, oy, galing ka sa akin oy, dito ka lang, oy, pumunta ka sa iba, hindi ka na namamansin siya hindi, mapunta ka sa maganda, talagang i-announce pa niya na, oy, yan, galing dito yan, tapos nakita na may talent, kinuha na, proud tayo doon. Hindi tayo nag-isip ng hindi maganda sa mga talent na ganun.
Really hands down to Direk Nomar Santiago for being the phenomenal director in the field of media and basketball. Sobrang dami ng napagaling, napasikat na Direk Nomar. And I'm really proud to be under him, to start with him. And I really don't know what the future holds for Direk Nomar, but I really wish the best and the best for the best director, Direk Nomar Santiago. The reason behind all of the beautiful production we can see, as we can see the Lakas fast break of the quarter, brought to you by Winzen's Cafe, the official cafe partner of Sinaglica Asia. As magpaparinig ulit ako, Boss Ray, ang sasarap ng mga cakes and coffee nila on their advertisement.
Baka naman.
Ang galing mo na. Ay, bagets naman yung baka naman ko dyan. Sana all.
Sana all, di ba? Yun nga, like Pampanga team, di ba? Itong Pampanga Delta Royce, di ba? Binuo ni Governor Delta Pineda to. Pero nakita mo naman, iba-ibang school ang napupuntahan ng mga yan. Ganun ka-open si Gob na yung talent ng mga bata na galing sa kanya, kung saan napupunta na hindi niya pinipigilan. Bakit? Proud siya na may mga nabuo siyang ganyang bata. Diba? In the future, PBA yan or papunta sa ibang bansa, talagang happy-happy si Gob.
Oh, what a block from Estil. Gomez for 3. No go. Rebound by Steven Angeles to Justin Bautista. Justin puts it up and in at may baon pa at libreng free throw for Justin Bautista.
Nakita mo naman si Justin na napaka-sport ng batang to. Nakita niya bumagsak yung opponent na hindi niya naman teammate, tinayo niya.
As we take a look at a beautiful pass by Steven Angeles to Justin Bautista. Grabe, connection na talaga na itong mga batang to. Alam mo, Boss Ray, hindi naman kasi sila magkaka-teammate eh. They became friends. They became family. Nasasandalan na yung isa't isa. And that's one great thing about basketball. Diba? Yung iba nga ginagawa pang stress reliever itong basketball, but that will do for our first quarter with 27-12. At the end of the first quarter, Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino is up by 15. As we take a look back on our first quarter highlights, that pass of JM Kembao to Joshua Miklat makes it Joshua Miklat first field goal of the ball game. And look at that, may sasagot naman from the NYBL Boss League grassroots from Bataan. And look at that one-hand slam jama from Kevin Santos, the youngest player who stepped up in the pro division, as Pampanga Delta up by 15, 27-12.
At walang nagbago. Yan ang sabi sa akin ng head coach Pepe Duyag ng Pampanga Delta, as this is the advice of Governor Dennis Pineda dahil naniniwala sila na defense is the key to win a game at ibigay ang kanilang best dahil di lang nila dala ang kanilang sarili but ang buong Kapampangan. Now back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim, for that update. You know how much they pay respect, no? Na talagang they really follows the advice of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on every game. They step in on what division it could have been. But one thing about Kim Advintula's report is their defense. Because this Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda really believes that defense wins games, but offense wins championship. It may sound cliche, Boss Ray, but it's really the system of Gov Delta ever since.
Ganoon naman talaga dapat eh. Kasi dapat may killer instinct ka, di ba? Like Kobe Bryant, the Black Mamba, di ba? Michael Jordan, di ba? The Ernest, di ba? LeBron James, di ba? The King, LeBron, di ba? Dapat ganoon. Talagang killer instinct mo, diba? Wala kang pakialam kahit malakas, mahina ang kalaban. Labas mo yung 100% mo. Kasi doon makikita eh. Doon ka matitrain. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng happy na tatamad-tamad ka. Mahina kalaban eh. Walang problema. Hindi ganoon. Dapat the more na mahina, pakita mo na lalo kang katakutan. Kasi pag naging hobby mo yun, yung ibang team, okay, ito pala kainaan ng mga to. Diba? So, ang pangit ng ganun. Kaya ako, to be honest, natutuwa ako sa mga ganyang attitude na may mga killer instinct yung mga batang to.
Actually, they really get it from Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. The humility they have in themselves. As Gov Delta, of course, we'd like to thank him for everything that he have been supported for Sinag Liga Asia. And his humility is hindi matatawaran. Dahil alam natin that Governor Dennis Delta Pineda is both a name and a title for himself. The Pineda name, the Delta name, but grabe pa din kung rumespeto si Gov Delta on his endeavors.
Ano nga champion coach na siya. Pero nakita mo naman, yung mga bata, hindi niya tinitigilan na pagsabihan, turuan, di ba? So, ako, talagang lagi ko sini-shoutout yung mga iba-ibang lugar, iba-ibang city na, alam mo yun, hindi mo man kayang-gayahin yung ganun. Pero, magkaroon ka talaga ng, ma-motivate yung mga taga-lugar na kung saan ikaw ang namumuno. Para, yung programang yan, tuloy-tuloy, in the future, may kita mo sa TV yung mga batang to na, uy, galing sa akin to. Iba alam mo yun, hindi kayang bayaran ng pera yung naramdaman mong saya na ang dami mong natulungang bata sa pangarap nila. Kaya, shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan, sa mga nanonood live dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Itong platform na to para sa inyo po lahat to. Wala po tayong pinipili dito. Napanood nyo naman ngayon ng live. Pampanga Delta versus NYBL Boss League. Panoorin nyo kung paano maglaro ng Pampanga team na to na hindi pwedeng, alam mo yun, kailangan taasan natin yung level para lahat ng mga kalaban natin, yun ang tinitingnan.
Nag-message sa akin si Enzo Boss Ray. We would like to give a shout out to the mom and dad of Justin Bautista, Miss Janice and Ernie Bautista, who is watching us live right now. A shout out po sa inyo and happy watching here at Sinag Liga Asia. As Justin Bautista registered an N1 play earlier.
Happy watching po sa inyong lahat.
Carlo Ferreras knocks down that triple. As you can see, the proud supporters. Parang may girlfriend si Carlo dun, ah. At mga cameraman natin, ang gagaling maalam yung mga background nito mga players natin dito. 31-16.
Totoo yun. Alam mo naman yung mga cameraman natin, talagang mga pro yan. Kaya patayo ka pa lang o papalakpak ka pa lang, alam na nila na kukunan ka.
Grabe.
Kaya yung mga may sa, ang tawag dyan, kiss cam ba yun?
Kiss cam.
Oo, ready na kayo, di ba?
Magkikiss cam ba tayo dito sa finals?
Sigurado yan. Si Direk Nomar pa. Lalong-lalo na si Direk Bailey. Mahilig sa kiss face yun.
Actually, tomorrow
kiss cam, kiss face.
tomorrow I think is the last day natin na hiwa-hiwala yung venue, no? On the 20th, dito na tayo sa Brenzy Giao.
Po. Kaya sa mga nanonood ng live, Brenzy Giao na po tayo sa 4th day ng Watch the World Play sa SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
Alam mo, boss, nung nag-post si Coach Leo nung poster, tapos nakalagay doon yung 14 local teams, 16 international teams, 66 games in just 5 days with 4 divisions. Parang ako yung naloka doon eh. But nevertheless, it's still happening right now.
Yan ang nakakatawa kay Coach Leo eh. Kaya, alam mo si Coach Leo, hindi pocket CEO natin ah. Pinagpapahinga namin minsan ni Chairman Rocky Chan yan sa kami Commissioner Rodi Santos. Alam mo yun, talagang sabi niya, hindi, tapusin ko lang to bago ako mag-relax. Ganun nakakatuwa talaga si Coach Leo sa akin. Talagang dala-dala niya pa rin hanggang ngayon pagiging Hinebra player niya.
Actually, yung work etiquette talaga ni Coach Leo, grabe. Parang pag nakikita ko nga siya, minsan, alam mo si Coach Leo lang hindi ko nakakabiro. Natatakot kasi ako eh. Sorry Coach, kung maririnig mo to, but parang he's really professional in all aspects of life. Kahit like yung personal, yung kwentuhan lang after the game, ganun, parang natatakot akong magkapag-usap sa kanya.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, si Coach Leo, napakabait niya yan. Kaya lang talaga yung, personal niya. Talaga yung face, niya, alam mo, napakaseryoso, hindi. Nakikipagbiruan niyan sa mga cameraman natin, sa mga director natin.
Actually, best friend nga niya yung head ng production natin, which is si Direk Nomar Santiago. Lagi silang roommate.
Alam mo kasi, siyempre, yung dalawang yan, pagka may boting usapan, mas masaya sila.
But our last drive of the quarter brought to you by City of Food Spears, the food that brings you home.
Joke lang, Coach Leon, Derek Nomar.
as Carlo Ferreras registered another 2-point shot. Balik tayo dito sa banig ng NYBL Boss League with Christian Bunting with a basketball.
Alam mo itong NYBL Boss League, pag may sinilang liga to, or pag uwi nila, talagang ang kwentuhan yan isang buwan. Alam mo bakit? Nakalaban namin yung Pampanga Delta Royce.
Actually,
Grabe, nandun si Kevin Santos, nandun si Roque, di ba?
these players of the
Nandun si Steele, nandun si lahat eh. Wala pa dito yung Tasmanian Devil nila, di ba?
Actually, I have been looking for CJ Delfino. Remember, Boss Ray, when we visited La Union, Dabawang La Union, kung paano dayuhin si CJ ng mga kabataan?
Totoo. Hindi lang doon. Pinununo si J. Delfino yung SM South Mall.
Napagod na nga siyang mag-signature sa mga jerseys niya pinapasign sa kanya.
Di ba? Gaya ng mga ganung play, di ba?
Let's take a look on our fast break points. Boss Ray, 18 for Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino in just 2 from the NYBL Boss League. Kung titignan talaga naman natin, physically speaking, that this Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino really has the advantage offensively and defensively speaking. But one great thing about NYBL Boss League, lumalaban sila.
Ganoon naman talaga eh. Kailangan mo ipakita rin na binigyan ka ni Lord ng talent, di ba? Hindi lang itong Pampanga Delta. So, yun. Happy ako sa lahat actually ng teams dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase natin na Delta Cup, di ba?
Of course, timeout on the floor with 1 minute and 44 seconds remaining on our first period. 42-23, Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino still up. 1 minute and 44.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
As we go back live inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the Christmas capital of the Philippines, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of the Giant Lanterns. As we now turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim Advincula, para sa report dito on June Roque of Pampanga Delta.
June Roque said na effort sa shooting at leadership ang pwede niyang maiambag sa laro ngayon, as he is the best player of the game on their last match. Dagdag niya pa na kahit na anong mangyari sa laro ngayon, respeto pa din ang dapat ang manaig. Now back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim, on that update for June Roque.
Ang bait ng batang yan, bilib ako.
Yun nga yung sasabihin ko sa iyo eh.
Totoo, alam mo, hindi lumalaki ulo niya kahit na superstar na siya. Kahit na shooter siya sa 3 points, dunker siya, marami siyang pwedeng gawin sa basketball, marami siyang pwedeng iambag sa Pampanga Delta Royce na to. Napaka-humble ng batang to.
In the middle of our tournament, June Roque joined the 3x3 Gilas Pilipinas and they
Champion
held
yan.
as the champions on that one at sa China. It was in the middle of our tournament, Boss Ray.
Proud na proud ang buong Kapampangan yan. Di ba?
May bisita pala tayo dito. The wise man himself, Coach Pancho Alfonso, arrived at the Brenzy Giao Convention Center.
Bisita ba ka mo? Ito pa, si Mrs. Girly Bautista. Maraming po salamat.
There's 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining. Our lakas grab of the quarter brought to you by Fulitech.
Alam mo ba yung husband nito ni Miss Girly Bautista na si Edward Bautista? Hindi ka maniniwala na yung edad niya na nilalaro niya sa 40 up natin or sa lakas 40 natin, sa kalibre 45 natin na ganun pa siya kalakas at ganun pa kagaling.
Boss Ray, that Edward Bautista is the player from Tita Vex.
Yes! Alam mo, kasama ko yan sa mga Asian tour namin with Boss Achit Kao sa ibang players like may mga SLA legend kasama ko sa US. Grabe to, si Edward Bautista. Yung edad niya, parang hindi 40 or hindi 50 apang linalaroan. Kasi parang siyang nasa 35 pa lang. Kasi abot pa yung ring, timing rebound, may shooting, may depensa, tumatakbo. Kaya pag napapanood nila si Edward Bautista, alam ko, ito pwedeng gayahin talaga ng iba na tuloy-tuloy lang ang paglalaro ng basketball, enjoy lang.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, when I was a courtside reporter way back, diba, nung championship natin ng Lakas 40 on our first season of it, na-interview ko yan si Edward Bautista and grabe pinapakita niya as we go back here to the 18 seconds of this ball game. Our first half, they are Bugarin, strong pass, three-pointer, no go, but a rebound by Charles Lumba. I tend to forget the names of this team. Sobrang dami nilang gumagawa for Pampanga Delta. Royce Hotel and Casino. 46-23, a big point lead advantage for the side of Pampanga Delta. Royce Hotel and Casino. As we take a look at our second quarter highlights, that opening triple from Carlo Ferreras. The standout from Perpetual Altas. Now sits for the Colegio de San Juan de Latran. As Ferreras once again with an alley-oop play, and it was able for Medina to knock that easy basket as 46-23 is our score at the end of the first half. Tutok lamang po dahil magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior Road Showcase.
We customized quality printing, makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing, makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya. Kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
You're still watching SLA World Showcase Junior. Now, before we move on to our second half, I am beside of Nop Garcia of Pampanga Delta. Now, first of all, sir, thank you po sa pagsama sa akin sa interview. Now, my question is, ano po masasabi nyo sa laro ng team nyo po ngayon?
Well, mas relax sila ngayon. Mas maganda yung tinatakbo nila offensively. Ang ano ko lang is yung defense namin medyo hindi napapractice na maayos.
May gusto po ba kayong batiyan sa mga nanonood po?
Sila, ano lang, shout out, pag-support lang, thank you kay Governor Delta.
Now, that's it for our halftime interview. Now, back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
At the end of the first half, 23-46 in favor of the Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. As we take a look back on what happened earlier, our halftime highlight, the GM Kimbao pass to Joshua Mclat. The second field goal of the Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino of the ball game. As bumawi naman dito ng 3. Itong si Azzy Hernandez of the NYBL Bossing, and that slam-a-jam, one hand of Kevin Santos. Babawi naman talaga dito itong NYBL Bossing on an easy layup as we take a look back on what happened on our first half of this ball game. As that Medina back to Ferreras, the three-pointer is good for Carlo Ferreras, the standout not only for the province of Pampanga but for the collegiate competition here in the Philippines. And look at that alley-oop pass of Ferreras to Medina. Our halftime statistics, 30% for the field goals for NYBL Bossing and 51% for Pampanga Delta. Rebounds, of course, the taller guys is Lamang, 25-19. On the assist, 10-3. On the bench points is 13-11. Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by Boss Ray Alao and Kim Advincula on the sideline.
Alam mo, parang bitin yung halftime, ha? Hindi na pumunta sa mga dugout. Nag-shooting na lang sila, saka nagpapawis. Parang bitin sila sa dalawang quarter na yun.
Alam mo, actually, boss, kasi kung patatagalin pa natin to, baka 2 a.m. Andito ba tayo? We still have early games for tomorrow.
Malamang.
But hands down to everybody who's been working hard for this past few days, hindi lang para dito sa 5 araw natin for our SLA Junior World Showcase.
Grabe sila Ma'am Molina, sila Ma'am Jelly, di ba? Mga director natin, mga panel natin, courtside, mga table official, mga cameraman, accessory, mga production, di ba? Grabe effort nila para sa Watch the World Play dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase natin na Delta Cup.
Grabe, 46-23.
Nanggigil si Rocky doon. Gusto siyang atakihin ni Torcato, kaso talagang body-body lang, kaso sumide siya, kaya foul talaga.
As NYBL Boss League, look at that. It's a clearly foul.
Yan ang maganda sa 91. Malamang idol nito si Dennis Rodman. Talagang fighter yung bata si Torcato.
6 minutes and 55 seconds.
Siyempre, shoutout natin si Enzo. Magpagaling ka. Alam mo, Enzo, alam ko bakit ka nagkaroon ng ganyan eh. Binuwat mo ba naman yung gamit ni DJ Luna eh.
Nakita pala ni Boss Ray yan. I'm very sorry. Natawa talaga ako doon. Nakita mo pala yan, Boss Ray. Kevin Santos to Ferreras. Ferreras to Kiambao. Kiambao started on that one. Alam niya.
Foul na naman yun kasi nakaside eh. Hindi na-establish yung position nila eh.
Hindi ba wala yung tawa ko sa'yo, Boss Ray. Ikaw lang ang nakakagawa niyan. Yung mabuli mo si Enzo sa live.
Siyempre, alam mo naman si Chief Enzo. Anak-anakan natin yan. Parang ikaw yan. Diba?
Pero mabait naman yan si Enzo, Boss Ray.
Parehas naman kayo. Kaya nga pinagsasabihan ko kayo kasi alam mo, yung mga talent nyo, talagang nandyan na yan eh. Kailangan lang i-develop pa ng gusto.
As look at that. The patience of the NYBL Boss League underneath. It's very different. Alam mo, Boss Ray, dito sa Sinag Liga Asia, you just don't grow on your career. You also grow as a individual in the community. And most importantly, nagkakaroon ka ng a new set of family. As Ferreras with a jumper. Too strong this time. Goes in and out. Torcato. Daniel Torcato. Wow! Grabe yun.
Talagang tontuwa siya. Na-score niya si Roque. Biro mo ba naman, Roque yun, syempre, di ba? Nakakatuwa yung NYL Boss League kasi na-excite silang kalaban tong mga to. Talagang laban sila.
Is Kevin Santos. Sabi ko na kay Kevin Boss. Kevin, pagbigyan mo naman yung mga video natin kasi gusto nang kumuha ng slam dunk from Kevin Santos. And pinagbigyan na nga kanina, 2 beses pa.
Totoo. Hindi pa sumasalpak yung Roque, ha?
Diba?
Santos pa lang.
Ferreras and Roque used to play for Perpetual Altas.
Totoo. Ngayon si Roque nasa letra na.
He's serving his residency together with Carlo Ferreras, I believe.
Okay.
And also, Paula Quindanum. And a lot of players, I talked to them before kasi as we take a look back here of that Kevin Santos Lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by City of Food Spears, the food that brings you home. Going back, when I was shooting my podcast, itong Corn Beef Boys, itong mga alaga talaga dito ni Coach Aisel way back, is kasama sila sa podcast ko, Boss Ray. And they mentioned na they're going back for Colegio de San Juan de Letran and they're going to serve their 1-year residency once again. Justin Bautista, Joshua Meclat, Carlo Ferreras, Kevin Santos is with the Knights this time, and also Jun Roque.
Yun ang nakakatawa yung mga batang to talaga nagpapalo sa instruction. Kasi alam nila, doon gaganda yung career nila. Kung ano yung i-advise sa kanila ni Gob Delta, di ba?
You know, actually, Boss Ray, basketball has been a big help to everybody who's been in the industry because you get to study for free.
Totoo.
You get to have money just for playing basketball, just for playing the game that you love. Diba? Hindi, dun mo na mafe-feel na you never work a day in your life when you're doing what you love. And that is what we are doing here in Sinagliga Ash. Ikaw ba, Boss Ray, napapagod ka? Di ba hindi? Because your first love is basketball.
Yes.
Yung panganay mo is working as a coach, Coach Ernest Alaw, and your other son is playing as well for the collegiate level. And your daughter, Izuki Alaw, is here with us, dito, di ba? Still in the basketball community. Also, Mamiel, di ba? Parang, it's really doing what you love.
Ganun talaga eh. Kung ano yung gusto nila, talagang susuportahan mo na lang. Kasi hindi naman tayo, alam mo yung perfect na parents, pero I try my best na masuportahan sila kung anong gusto nila.
As Carlo Ferreras commits a traveling violation, Kevin Santos will be subbed by Estil, the cash money. Estil.
Alam mo, totoo yung sinabi mo eh. Yung basketball, malaking pagbabago yan sa buhay ng mga player. Especially itong mga taga Pampanga. Like nila Steel na napunta dito. Kasi may family na yan, nasuportahan ng maayos, maganda. Because of basketball, di ba? Kaya sa mga nanonood ng live, saka sa mga fans ng iba-ibang liga po, ito pong basketball na platform ng bawat liga dito sa Pilipinas o sa ibang bansa, supportahan natin lahat yan kasi nagkakaroon ng mga trabaho, mga players, coaches, staff, di ba? Alam mo, ang swerte ng mga may mga team kasi mga team owner, di ba, gumagastos yan eh. Pero wala naman silang hinahanap na kapalit eh. Ang gusto lang nila matulungan o masuportahan yung mga katulad ng mga players na to.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, dati nagtataka ako bakit ang daming mga naglalabas ng pera sa basketball. But when I entered the basketball community, it has already been answered. Hindi ko na kailangan pang magtanong. Because the way how these guys play, how they fight for the ball game, how they give respect to each and every one, it's really an answer for me.
Totoo, kasi yung iba kasi, ito yung ano nila eh, what do you call this, pamantanggal ng stress. Hindi kayang bayaran ng pera eh, na biro mo, malatanggal stress mo. Happy ka sa mga bata na to, na makita mo na, uy, napagaling ko to or natulungan ko to. Doon pa lang, panalo na sila.
It's really the satisfaction within the heart of every team owner, every head coach, every assistant coaches, every consultant.
Totoo, kagaya nila General Lee, di ba? Nila Eric Damian. Nandyan sila D. Hender Cantara, di ba? Na alam mo yun, makapaglaro lang, makanood lang, happy na. Tanggal na yung stress. Diba? Yun ang lagi kong sinasabi na nakakatuwa. Dahil, alam mo yun, imbis na may stress ka, magkasakit ka, manood ka ng basketball, okay ka na eh. Lalo na yung mga batang natulungan mo or yung kagaya na itong liga natin na natulungan nila. Ang laking ginansa sa buhay nila yun na matadagdagan yung pagiging bata mo. Diba?
Exactly the point as we reach 2 minutes and 23 seconds of our third. Bugarin.
Kasi yung ibang team ang iniisip, di ba, nagbabayad sa player, nagbabayad sa coach, nagbabayad sa staff. Tapos, alam mo yun, para sila ba'y maging bida dito? Di ba? Hindi pagtulong yun. Or may sarili kang agenda. Di ba? Eto, makikita mo yung mga ganitong may-ari ng teams na talagang binibigay lang yung suporta sa kanila para matulungan yung mga family, matulungan yung mga karir ng mga batang to. Ako, saludo ako sa mga ganong team owner.
A salute to everybody who has been nothing wishes but the good luck to every player that they have been developed and will develop as we go back from 54 to 33 in our third period. At patuloy na lumalaban dito ang NYBL Boss League.
Grabe naman yung lipad na yun, di ba? Yun ang nakakatuwa. Kanina, sabi sila, idol nila yung kalaban nila. Pero kita mo naman, di ba? Pukpok kung pukpok. Laban kung laban.
JR Bugarin misses the shot from the Rainbow Territory.
Sobrang happy ng NYBL Boss League sa nangyari nito sa karir nila. Na nakalaban nila yung mga, alam mo yun, pinapanood lang nila. Di ba? This time, kabanggaan mo, di ba? Kita mo yung kay Steve, sabi ni Steve, wala pang foul. Salpukan siya ng salpukan doon, di ba?
McLath with the basketball. He's back to Justin Bautista. May pinapa-shoutout pa dito si Enzo kanina as G. Muli, the mother-in-law of Jeffrey C, who's playing for the Pampanga Delta. He's watching all the way from New York. A really big time difference from the Philippines to New York. I believe 12 hours or 16 hours, Boss Race, from New York to here, the Philippines.
Alam mo, gusto kong batang to si Steel. Alam mo, laro lang siya. Saktan niyo ako, masaktan ko kayo. Basketball lang tayo. Talagang hindi siya yung tipong maninira or sasadyain niya. Siya basketball lang. Rebound dito, di ba? Block dito. Pagka kailangan may score yung batang to.
That's why he has been hailed as the cash money steal. And sportsmanlike foul called on Justin Bautista, I believe. But there will be a review on the remaining 2 seconds of our third. Medyo napahiga pa dito. A player for NYBL Boss League who didn't expect that. I think it will be an unsportsmanlike foul on Justin Bautista, and the referees here are reviewing if they could upgrade it to a disqualifying foul as we take a look on our officials review.
Yan, may kita sa slow mo. Yun. Matik yun.
Disqualifying foul on Justin Bautista of Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino.
Justin Bautista out of the playing field.
It was, as we can see on our screen, Coach Pepe Tuyag.
Alam mo, nanginayang si Coach Pepe kasi alam mo naman, ang laking bagay nung bata na yun. Saka, ang bait nun eh.
But,
diba?
Ray,
basketball to eh.
as we can see,
sadya mo o hindi.
yeah, on the
Pag
review,
nakita ng review yun, tapong ka.
but
Matik yun.
let's just explain to everybody watching na hindi naman talaga sinasadya. It's just, ano na kasi yun eh, adrenaline.
Totoo.
Because 2 seconds left for the ball game at nagkaroon pa sila ng agawan doon on the basketball on our half line. So, still a disqualifying foul and Justin Bautista accepts it with a full-hearted. Talagang he really knows it. Sideline inbound.
Nakakatuwa sa bata. Tamaan ako, lagyan ko yelo, pero sumisingin sa coach niya na balik pa siya.
Nakangiti pa. Kanina nagpapasab siya na nakahiga eh. Ngayon hindi na. Gusto niya na bumalik.
Yun, kung makikita po natin, na-out po si Justin Bautista.
58-38 at the end of the third quarter. A 20-point lead for the Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. As you can see that fast break coming from Kevin Santos, the youngest player who stepped up in the pro level. As we take a look back on that shot coming from Kilapio of the NYBL Boss League, and that fast break from J.R. Bugarin. 58-38, a 20-point lead for Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase for our fourth and final quarter of this ballgame.
Premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop. Premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Going back to the fourth and final quarter of this ball game, Jeffrey C. on your screens, now sitting in for Pampanga Delta, Royce Hotel and Casino.
Si Pereiras talaga, pinitawan mo, no? Talagang mag-suffer. Napakaganda ng kamay ng bata.
Already 10 in the evening here in the Philippines, and people watching us all over the world, in New York, in Canada, in Dubai. A really big time difference. Charles Lumba commits, his defensive player commits a foul on him. As we take a look back on that pass of Ferreras to Charles Lumba. And one play is good for Lumba this time. 9 minutes and 35, and one play is complete for Lumba this time. Inbound for the NYBL Boss League. Almost a steal. Three-pointer, no go. Balik ang bola sa Pampanga.
Parang Pampanga, kayo pala nag-i-start, no?
Parang wala pang pawis yung mga players, but it's purely substitution. They rested Kevin Santos, Jun Roque. A lot of players with them. Steele is already still sitting. Jun Roque now. GM Kemba working with Carlo Ferreras. Jonathan Medina. Jeffrey C. and Charles Lumba for Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. At para sa panig ng NYBL Boss League, they have here Joris Rubas, Ian Patrick Rualo, and Mark Lemor Flores for their side, working for our 8 minutes and 30 seconds left of our ball game.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, di ba? Pag sumahid ka talaga, matik yun.
As we now turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim Advincula, para dito sa kanyang fourth quarter update. Kim, go ahead.
Sarap umuwi sa probinsya na kahit talo ay lumalaban pa din. Ayan ang sabi sa akin ni Coach Ariel Izon of NYBL Boss League. After their huddle, dagdag niya pa na gagawin nila ang fast game at stand tall sa kalaban kahit na nahihirapan para makahabol at bumawi sa game. Now back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim, on that one. Boss Ray, the words of the NYBL Boss League, masarap umuwi sa probinsya kahit natalo, but at least lumaban sila.
Siyempre, sino ba namang hindi magiging masaya? Makalaban mo, di ba? Powerhouse team, di ba? Experience yun sa mga player mo, plus experience yun sa mga coaches ng NYBL Boss League, di ba? Biro mo, hindi lang basta-basta yung Pampanga Delta Royce eh. Imagine, yung mga player na yan from NCAA, UAAP, mga superstar yan eh, di ba? Wala pa ka dyan yung darling of the crowd na si Tasmanian Devil, di ba? Si Delpino.
Actually, Boss Ray, no? Itong mga to, they're very star-studded, pero their humility still remains within their selves. As a foul, I believe, on Carlo Ferreras, I believe, or on
C.
Jeffrey C.
Yes.
It's an offensive foul.
Alam mo, laki ng nakita kong maturity ng especially mga coaches ng Pampanga Delta Royce, mga players, staff nila. Alam mo yun, yung mga nakaupo, di ba? Tapos ang tumatayo sa kanila, yung head coach, sa pangalawa, assistant coach. Yung iba talagang nakaupo lang. Alam mo yun, talagang, siyempre, nagko-coach na itong mga to sa pro. Di ba? Na-experience na nila kung ano yung magandang maging kultura, di ba?
And you know, actually, not seeing Coach Pedic Di Matulak on the bench of Pampanga right now is really a big growth for the rest of the coaching staff of Pampanga Delta. Kasi it just clearly means na napagkakatiwalaan na sila, not only by Gov Delta, but also by Coach Pedic, na kahit wala si Gov Delta and Coach Pedic, is they can rule out these guys.
Yun naman talaga kasi parang parang ka nasa isang barko, di ba? Yung kapitan mo. Yung kapitan mo, siyempre, kailangan di matulog yan. Kailangan di magpahinga yan. May mga tinatawag tayo na siguro assistant captain, di ba? Or yung mga crew nila na yun talaga yung pagkakatiwalaan mo, 2 o 3 para yung pahinga nyo or yung palitan nyo, hindi ka kakabahan eh. Same din yan siguro sa ginagawa ng Pampanga Delta.
7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining.
Ang ganda na naisip ng player ng nato kasi pasa niya sa Pampanga Delta. Okay na. Hindi ko na lang ibibigay kasi easy 2 points sana yun.
Seven minutes and 6 seconds remaining.
Alam mo, natatawa ako kay C kasi sinisenyosan niya. Pasa mo na sa akin, mati 3 seconds ka lang. Ayun, kita mo. Kinakausap siya ng coach niya. Ano sinasabi mo?
One great thing about this guys talaga, it's just purely basketball. You can clearly see the beauty of the game basketball with these two teams battling out right here in front of us.
Ang ganda naman nun, hindi lang sumute. Wow, nice pass.
As you take a look back on that one.
Sa mga taga New York, New Jersey, Houston, Brooklyn, Washington DC, Dubai, Canada, abangan nyo lang po yung re-record kanina. Dahil alam ko nagkaroon ng problem sa internet sa isa sa mga gym
venues
natin.
Boss Dick.
Yes.
Kasi nga, we're playing in 2 different venues and it's really hard to take it. But our lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by the SM South Mall Las Piñas. Pero for sure, if you post it on our different social media platforms, on our YouTube and Facebook, for other people to watch it,
yes.
It's really recorded as the same quality we have on our pre-game up to post-game.
FB page sa YouTube, Blast TV, Top Sports, TPN, Cable Link, nandyan din po yung Fiber TV natin. So, abangan niyo po mga taga USA and also Canada and UAE, Dubai.
As the free throw is good for the NYBL Boss League.
Ang ganda ng pahinga ni Enzo, no? Kasi may kasama daw siya.
Sabi ni Coach Pancho, mag-isa lang eh. Enzo, nilalaglag ka ni Boss Ray dito. But nevertheless, 6 minutes is left. Take a look at that pass from Kevin Santos. Back to the cash money as steal.
For sure, di ka mahihirapan yan. Alam mo na kung sino.
Bakit ka? Ina-approve mo lang naman to, Boss Ray. As we go back here, NYBL still fighting against this mighty and tough Pampanga Delta team.
Ready ka na ba, Pen? Malapit na ang Delta Kapuli.
Ready na, boss. Basta tinawag ni Direk, go!
And siyempre, maraming pinapatrabaho si Gold Delta Pineda. Yun ang paghahandaan ng SLA. Kasi, I think, may surprise tayong gagawin para sa mga, alam mo yun, 12 to 17 years old. Abangan nila yan.
Alam mo, grabe, no? 10 to 17?
I think 12 to 17 years old.
12 to 17 is really, really bringing back the basketball. Like, he's really bringing the pride of the Kapampangans to the basketball community to develop a player at a very young age, at the age of 12. Imagine if you develop a player from 12, lalakas na yun ng 15. Boss Rick, kagaya naman ang panood natin kanina on Pampanga Pradera.
Totoo. Kaya nga nakakatuwa. Imagine, mag-start sila ng 12 years old. So, pag angat na ng 13, 14, 15, iba na yun. Eh, paano pa palag 16, 17 yun? Ready na yun sa mga, I think, mga big school. Di ba? Hindi lang basta, Pampanga area. Meron yung Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, mga Gambicol. Iikutan ng Sinag Liga Asia. Abangan niyo po kung ano yung magiging game plan dyan.
Grabe. Alam mo, Boss Ray, we're still on Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, but a lot of things is still on the paper right now, still with the planning.
Yun, bukod doon, alam mo naman, masisimulan na natin yung Norte natin after neto. Kasi may 12 teams na sa gaganapin sa Subic. So, abangan niyo po yan, mga taga-Subic, mga taga-Zambales. Magkakaroon po dyan ng Sinag Liga Asia Intertown po dyan sa Subic. Tapos sa Zambales naman at sa buong Norte, magkakaroon tayo ng Intercollegiate.
Subic is just 1 hour away from the province of Pampanga, if I'm not mistaken. Because Boss Joel Yuga was here yesterday and they said na taga-Subic daw sila. It's just 1 hour from here.
Grabing biyahe yun, no? Ang bilis nun, 1 hour. Kasi sila, Attorney Alborda, kanina, sa sobrang busy natin, nandun sila sa isang court natin, di ba? So, mingi po akong pasensya, Attorney Alborda, team owner ng Lyceum. Sobrang busy lang po ng group natin. Actually, si Boss Eric Quintana nga, yung director natin. Talagang hindi ko rin naasikaso sa busy. So, mga boss, alam ko, naintindihan nyo ang group dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Busy lang po tayo pare-parehas. Enjoy po natin yung mga game. Happy viewing po sa mga taga New York, taga Houston, taga New Jersey, taga Washington DC, taga Brooklyn, taga lahat po. Dubai, Canada. Pasensya na po kayo. Talagang busy lang yung group natin ngayon. I hope bukas ganun din, pero sa 4-day na po natin, nandito na po tayo lahat sa Brent Sigiaw. May entertain na po namin kayo. Sasayawan ko po kayo.
Parang first time ko makikita sa mayo si Boss Ray.
Ang laki nun dyan, eh. So, enjoy po tayo sa mga game tomorrow. Alam ko, grabe ang dami na naman nating game nun. 10 games, bawat lugar or bawat coliseum. Tapos, sabay-sabay yun, di ba? Kaya, maawa po tayo kay Pen kasi bukas 8 a.m. naman siya sa FPU.
First 4 games to be covered on the sa FEU venue tomorrow. And I think the games will be adjusted, Boss Ray.
Yes, sabi ata ni Coach Leo, mag-start ng 8 or 8:30. Para hindi naman masyadong gabihin yung mga bata. Kasi siyempre...
Because right now, after this, we will still be having our last game. And it's already 10 in the evening. So supposedly, it's already 12 a.m.
Actually, baliktad kasi sa kanila, umaga to, 10 a.m.
May jet lag pa ba itong mga bata?
Wala. Bali wala sa kanila. Biro mo, mga naka-smile pa eh. Gusto pang maglaro eh.
Bata pa tayo. Doon nga sinasabi na boss, pag bata ka, lahat gusto mong gawin. And for this guys, they really wanted to play at this very, very late night. Usually may sleeping time, Boss Ray. You wouldn't believe it.
Alam mo, hindi ako, sorry, pero ako nung naglalaro kami nila Bobelga, nila Ronnie Matias, yung mga commercial league with Marky, Ang dami namin inikot na lugar, ang dami namin pinupunta. Maniwala ka, every finals natatapos kami, I think 2 a.m. Sa dami ng mga, siyempre mga magkasalita yung mga politician, di ba? Magkasalita yung mga guests. Tapos ang tagal ng mga timeout, ang tagal ng mga foul, kasi tirahan ng tirahan, di ba? Wala pang mga replay nun eh. Wala pang camera nun eh.
Ano pa yun ha?
Oo.
Magre-reklamo lang.
Magre-reklamo ka lang, magwawala ka lang sa gitna. Napaghahalata po yung edad. Pero, grabe, umaga na. 2 a.m. na. Bago matapos yung game. Kaya, what more itong mga batang to? Bali wala sa kanila.
74-52 is our final score. Not the final score, rather, but our score with our 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the game clock.
Ulitin ko sa kanila, morning pa lang yun.
Kaya nga eh. 14 hours difference ba or 16 from here to the United States or in Canada?
Parang kami, same lang naman ng 12 hours sa atin.
12 hours.
Kaya lang, umaga.
Yeah. So if
dito
it's
gabi.
10 in the evening, it's 10 in the morning. Pasimula pa lang yung araw nila.
Yes.
Patapos na tayo.
Tayo, antok na.
But they were 12 hours delay.
Labang ka sa mga ganyang, ano ka eh.
Hindi na boss, yun nga yung mention ko sa'yo earlier. Maganda ako sa 9:30.
Sabi ni Kevin Santos, welcome to Sinag Liga Asia.
It's not just welcome.
Delta Cup World Showcase.
Ginising ni Kevin Santos ang mga tao inside the Brasilia Convention Center. That is his third slam and jam of the ball game.
Grabe yung steal sa Kevin Santos. Biro mo, bumablock pa, may rebound pa. Yan ang mga attitude ng player. Di ba?
Grabe. Kevin Santos never misses to surprise each and every one of us. Carlo Ferreras. No hesitation whatsoever for Ferreras.
Dangka, 3 points naman ako. May kanya-kanya siya na showtime, you know?
Actually, it's Kevin. Almost a block. Ferreras with the rebound. I think this will be an alley-oop play, but no Ferreras from way downtown. No go this time. Nunag with the rebound. Nunag back to steal. A steal to Santos. And Santos.
Pwede niyang idang, pwede niyang itira lang simple, no?
It's an easy layup this time for Kevin.
May napanood nga ako eh, parang ligang labas ba yung kalaban niya si Marky? Grabe. Pero nakakasabay siya kay Marky ah. Kaya alam naman natin na
actually, boss, Marky is just like pa-15 na si Marky if I am not mistaken.
Sobrang legend ni Marky.
Pero, the way Marky plays for today ha, this late games na itong mga past games on the professional league, parang hindi siya 50, boss. Parang mga nasa 30 lang. Ang liksi-liksi pa.
Hindi, kasi si Marky, very blessed yun kasi, alam mo yun.
Oh! Kevin misses that dunk this time.
Binigyan siya ni Lord talaga ng katawan na, alam mo, parang 30 years old.
But this time, it's Nunag.
Kanina pagigil yan.
Who makes that slam dunk. And look at the celebration of the Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino.
Matagal niya lang gustong gawin yan eh.
But it's really the first time that Nunag did that one-hand dunk. That's why the celebration of his entire team is really phenomenal. Wow. And it credits to Kevin Santos. He gives that show to Justin Nunag.
Pinakita nila sa, kasi nanonood yung mga taga, Clifford City Tigers.
I correct myself, Joseph Nunag. Pare-parehas na yung pagkakakilala ko sa mga batang to. As 83-64, Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino dominantly, very dominantly win against this NYBL Boss League, but with a high respect to their opponent, Boss Ray. But before anything else, I'm just going to ask you your feeling for this ball game.
Siyempre, saludo tayo sa NYBL Boss. Siyempre, bakit? Talagang pinakita nila na gusto nilang makalaban yung Pampanga Delta dahil kilala nila yung mga player. Like, ano nga sinabi ng coach kanina na idol ng mga bata to yung Pampanga Delta, di ba? Talagang nakipagpukpukan sila, lumaban sila. Alam mo yung pawis lang ni Santos matalsik sa kanila. Parang naglaro sila sa USA Dream Team eh. Di ba? Kaya happy po kami sa inyo lahat. Enjoy po tayo.
Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, because beside him right now is the young player who's really stand out. Daphne, go ahead.
I am now with the Signa best player of the game, Kevin Santos of Pampanga Delta with 14 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, and 1 block. Now, first of all, congratulations po sa pagkapanalo. Now, and nakita namin na ang ganda ng pinakita mo. Now, my question is, ano pa yung pwede namin i-expect sa mga susunod niyo pang laro?
Masigitan ko po yung laro ko kesa sa past 2 games namin para makabawi kami sa boss namin sa natalo namin sa regular season.
Now, meron ka bang gustong batiin or pasalamatan sa mga nanonood?
Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Boss Delta sa opportunity na binigay po sa amin na ito. At sa mga family ko po na sumusuporta sa bahay po namin. Tsaka sa girlfriend ko kay Therese Lacap.
Once again, that is our Signa best player of the game. Now, back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim. I stand corrected by, kasi dumaan si Daphne kanina on my back. But Kim, thank you so much. And of course, thank you so much to Kevin Santos. And I'd like to thank you, Boss Ray, for joining us once again here on a phenomenal game we had today. Once again, the Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino. 83-64 is our final score. The dominant win talagang binawi nila, sabi nga ni Kevin Santos. Their loss in the regular season. And coming up next is the GDM Davao versus the Clifton Tigers for our 19 under. In behalf of Boss Ray Alaw, Kim Advincula, in behalf of Direct DJ Aguilion, Direct Trey Santiago, Direct Omar Santiago, and the rest of the hardworking men and women in trabaho mula dito sa Brenzigya Convention Center, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina. And always remember that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.